because we cannot have her out here looking crazy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we'll be working on a wig, an old wig my client had. I didn't make this, somebody else did. I feel like it's well made. It's made with a dome cap. I don't know what kind of hair this is in the back, but she has a color piece. She colored some in the front. I mean, it's pretty nice. But what my client was concerned about is the bulkiness. See, so you have this, the tracks are spaced out too far apart. See that? And I think what happened was she spread the tracks out. She must have was running out of tracks. And then, you know how you start getting to the top of the head and you run out of tracks. So I guess she must have kind of started spacing them apart, because the back is real thick. See, with a wig, you would want to space it out in the back, and as you get closer to the top, you kind of put them close together so it can look like a thick, full wig. She said she was walking and you can literally see like the track sticking out the back. So what we're gonna do now is basically fix it, because we cannot have her out here looking crazy. Dome cap here, not my dome cap, my bad. Had my phone head. Sorry. So we're gonna take this off. My client, she has a small head, so I'm gonna use my smaller foam head. I have this one too, but as you can see, I feel like if I'd put it on here, it'd have been stretching the cap, and I don't want to stretch the cap no more than it is. So what I'm gonna do now is basically put it on. Put this on. That ain't supposed to happen. Right. So we're gonna put her on. What I'm doing now, you guys, I decided to take the elastic band off because it's pulling. So I'm just basically going in and taking the elastic band off, so it's not pulling. See these tabs right here on the sides? I'm gonna go in and sew this, so that way I don't want the wig to be no bigger and no smaller than what it is. So sew this on the sides to kind of keep the perimeter of her head. So yeah, once I do that, then we'll take the tracks out of the bag, then basically sew it in. It's gonna be a new wig. To make it full on the sides, I'm gonna get this track and lay it like that. Instead of doing it like this horizontally, we're gonna do it vertically. And then once I do it vertically, I'm just gonna take this piece and go around like that, and then yeah, we'll go from there. next time. See you guys later. Bye.